I was walking to work this morning feeling stressed and anxious by the pandemic that we're all facing right now. And I found my feet going through a park that I go through every day on my way to work. That park was devastated in October by a freak storm, knocked down all kinds of branches, and it was closed for a couple of weeks because it wasn't safe. Eventually, the city workers came and cleaned up the fallen branches and made it safe for people again. And now, as I walked through today, I noticed signs of life returning, and I felt my stress ease as I walked through this beautiful park-like setting. And it reminded me that crises end. Crises end and they finish. And I need to look up and realize that from time to time, because I can get stuck when I focus in on all the things that are happening right now. But it's in taking the long view and remembering that life will emerge at the end of this very trying time that we're all a part of right now, that I begin to feel hopeful. So my hope for you is that you take the time to look up and notice the signs of life around you, and remember that crises end, and we all need to look for those signs of hope where we can find them.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.